Hey guys, this is Steven from Simple AV. I just want to do a quick unboxing of the brand new AVA Cinema Remote and AVA Nano Brain. These are two great solutions for DIYers and pro installers for universal remotes. They're based on Android, so they have app control. They also have their own OS to do flows for universal remote control, doing both IR, IP, and anything in between. With the Brain, you can control everything off of the Brain, and the remote talks to the Brain so that you can have all your stuff in a nice rack. It doesn't have to be in the same room as the remote. The remote is a full touchscreen and also has a glass screen on the bottom, which you'll see in a second, that is customizable to what you're doing. So it changes as you're doing your flows. So let's open up the remote real quick. It's a very nice packaging. An unboxing experience. This is the first time I've seen it in hand. I've seen it at some shows, but we just got them in. They literally just released last Friday I got this in. So as you can see, very nice. What you get in the box, you get the remote. We'll put that to the side. What else do you get in the box? Underneath this, you get your charging hub right here. For charging, you get a very nice braided cable right here, USB-C to USB-C, and then also in another box comes the power supply. So let's see if this thing has any charge, and we'll just go through a quick turn on. So as you can see right here, this is how we prepare the remote. Right down here it's not a touch screen, it is actual buttons, but it is a glass. We'll peel this off right here. Underneath, these buttons will customize to what you are doing. So if it's an Apple TV, it'll have the Apple TV stuff. If it's a cable box, you'll have channel up, channel down, okay. And then here's the full touch screen itself. So we'll try to power this on, see if it has any charge real quick. It looks like we're gonna have to put it on the charger. While that's charging, we will open up the Nano Brain, see what is inside this box. This I've not seen actually in person. I've read a lot about it, but we haven't seen it in person yet. So, slide that off, you get some paperwork, and you get the actual Nano Brain itself. And so on this, you have on the back, you have both HDMI for CEC control, and you have, let's see, let's peel that off. Oh, look at that. Very nice AVA logo on the top. And then you have, if I can get this thing off, you have your HDMI for CEC control. And then you also have 3 USB-Cs. These are how they do their IR extenders. They have a special IR extender that's very flat that plugs into this so you can then control things via IR. So we'll do a full video on this remote after we get it set up and show you all that stuff. So thank you for watching and hope to see you guys in the next one. Thanks.